Today we're going to look at our FLEXILOCK product range, which is one of our most popular products that we sell. And a pump drive kit is where you want to connect up a diesel engine to a hydraulic pump. So you need a housing plate, the drive plate, and a coupling element to attach to your hydraulic pump shaft. Places where people are using these single pump drive kits are agricultural mobile harvesting equipment, industrial uses like vacuum trucks, mini diggers, stump grinders, logistics and mobile equipment, cranes for moving containers. So often when a customer needs a replacement, they'll be having trouble sourcing an exact replacement because it's come from overseas. We're the only supplier that locally makes this type of drive kit, and we can configure a replacement that will fit into what they have already. We make all of these here at our facility in Ballina. We start off with raw materials and we end up with a plate like this one, which you can mount your hydraulic pump onto. And we do 4 different size ranges, and we'll also do custom ones with other types of coupling elements to suit whatever you need. Our lead times are going to be a lot shorter because everything is made here. We've got vast amount of experience with these drive kits. We've been selling them for more than 30 years and they're a proven design. You can get service and backup straight away. When a customer orders a pump drive kit from us, they get multiple components: the housing plate, flywheel drive plate, the hub, and also a bolt kit with high strength fasteners to attach everything together. And if we don't have exactly what you need in stock, you can custom order it from us. You can contact us via phone, email. We also have a new app that'll let you select the drive kit yourself. It'll show you various inputs that you can put into, and it'll create a part number for you on the fly based on your configuration. Our kits are the only kits that are made in Australia. They're very economically priced. We cover all configurations, including custom made. Our people are there to help you and be with you right through the whole process.